Just a little review on these probes, very nice probes. I've just picked them up from AliExpress, and I don't know if you can get that in there. Hang on, let me just actually let me see if I can do it on this camera. Nope. Okay, not there either. Okay, let's just zoom in a bit and see if we get them focus. They're basically really nice probes, showing the length of the cables not that much. Let me just probably hang on, let me just check how long the length is. 30 centimeters, 60, about 70, 73 or 74 centimeters. But as you can see, the probes are really nice, because if you look at the tips, they are I don't know if I can get that into focus. And there you go. They're really nice tips basically. And the other thing what I liked about these was that they said you could, first when I looked at it, it didn't look like that they were replaceable, but after looking at it, first I was going to ask the seller because they said replaceable, and I couldn't see it being replaceable because it looks like one piece. But later what I did is just hold that piece with the pliers and pulled it up, and you can see you can get these replacement tips basically, so it's quite good in that way. So get that back in there. Let's put it on a meter and see how good these are. Continuity, really good. I don't know, let's see what's the ohms on these. Yeah, it's 0.5. It's okay. I suppose you could if you put it on range there, you could get it to basically 1. If you put the range to kilo ohms, then basically there, yeah, that's really good. Well, that was a little short video, just trying to get back into the videos, and I thought these were quite nice. Then I got another pair from another supplier, and these ones were a bit cheaper. Those ones I think came up to about 8 or 9 pounds. These ones, they look a bit more solid, and I like the colours of this one. So that's another one that's really nice. If you're going to do SMD repairs, you might as well get some nice sharp ones, because otherwise, I had to solder on some needles so that I can use them on smaller components. So that's that video for today. Hope you liked it.